Hello, welcome to another video from us here at Weybridge Isuzu. Today we present you this beautiful 2023 on a 73 plate Toyota Hilux single cab. Absolutely beautiful truck with very low mileage. It's only done about 8,000 miles. Lovely condition as you'd expect, as you can see by the bodywork. Now, one thing that's really nice about the Hilux is they come with the black steel wheels on them. So it really fits in nicely with the metallic grey on the truck as well. So I'll take you around it and sort of show you what we have on it. So you have ladder rack on the back fitted, which is really good. And then as we come down, you've got the tow bar, which is the universal coupling on it. Again, that just means that you can use it for a few more different things. And we've also got a load liner in the back, so it just protects the bed of the truck on it for you. Just really nice. That's all you can really say about it. It's lovely. Been looked after very well, not used hard at all. Nice and easy to shut up the rear tailgates as well. But these are fantastic for carrying. So if you're sort of doing roofing, building, farming, real good with space on the back. And obviously you can hang stuff up to there as well. Just show you the inside of the truck. So lovely interior, you've got the leatherette in it as well, which is all in beautiful condition. Just jump in and start it up with you. So it's just foot on the brake or clutch, sorry, and press the start. Now, as it loads up, you'll be able to see the mileage here. As I say, it's fantastic mileage, only 8,010 miles, so not a lot at all. Nice sort of display here for your radio, all very nicely compacted. And then just down here, you've got your two-wheel drive selector, which goes to four-wheel drive as well. Always driving two-wheel drive standard, but switch over when you want to. Manual gearbox here, so 1 to 6 and reverse. And then you have your eco and power mode there, so you can sort of change the driving settings and all your heating settings here. So it's just really nice, simple but really nice on these, and finished lovely. I'd probably go as far as saying these are probably one of the best single cabs out there in terms of finish. So Toyota have done it very well. But I'll take you back round to the front. So this is our Toyota Hilux single cab on a 73 plate, done 8,000 miles. Any questions, just give us a call. We do offer free of charge UK mainland delivery as well. So if you're not local, we can bring it to you. Thank you for taking the time to watch.